Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of God and enjoying the safe and healthy time with your families. My dear students, I welcome you all in today's online social studies lesson. My name is Sumbal Varsha and I am your social studies teacher. Now let's start our lesson today. Please take out your textbook, pencil, scale and eraser. Open your textbook page number 23. Now every student can see on their screen. We have started this lesson, this unit number 4, weather and the season before. But now we are going to discuss these two topics today. First one is north, east, south and west, and second one is clothes in Pakistan. Let's move to our learning objectives. What do you mean by learning objective? It means that we are going to learn what we are going to learn today. What does it mean? That what we are going to learn today. Okay, learning objectives. Students will be able to discuss how to point direction through compass. I will repeat this point again. Discuss how to point direction through compass. Okay. Elaborate the map of Pakistan and its aspects. What they have written over here? Elaborate the map of Pakistan and its aspects. Discuss mountain ranges of Pakistan. Discuss deserts connected to Pakistan. Explain people clothing in terms of environment. Yes, which point is this? Explain people clothing in terms of environment. Now, my dear students, let's discuss what is the main purpose of reading this. Here, I'm sharing with you on my screen the synopsis of this lesson. You see the fundamental discussion points. Now, we will discuss these points. Point north, east, south and west in a map through compass. I will repeat this point again. Please listen carefully. Point north, east, south and west in a map through compass. Now our next point is point mountain on a map. You have to point mountains on a map. Mountains are in the north and west of Pakistan. In map you will see that mountains are in the north and west of Pakistan. Mountains are often cold. The weather of mountains are often cold. Point desert on a map. Now you have to point deserts on a map. Deserts are in the south of Pakistan. In map you will see that deserts are in the south of Pakistan. It's usually dry because it does not rain much. Deserts are usually dry because it doesn't rain much. Quetta is in the west of Pakistan. You will see in this map also that Quetta is also in the west of Pakistan. Karachi is in the south of Pakistan. Islamabad is in the north of Pakistan and Lahore is in the east of Pakistan. Now open your textbook, page number 23, and write at the top date and day. Please make 3 lines. with scale. Then, on the top left corner of your textbook, write day, and the first letter of your day should be capital. Then, in the center, write classwork, but the C of this classwork should be capital. Then, top right corner of your textbook, write full date. Now look at your screens. You can see that there is written compass direction. Now what is compass direction? Do you know what is compass direction? Okay, I will tell you that what is a compass direction. Compass is direction marker and it shows the cardinal direction. You can see on your screen this is a cardinal directions: north, east, south and west. The four major compass points of north, south, east, west used to navigate a map. North is always at the top. North is always at the top of the map. South is always at the bottom of the map. East is always at the right side of the map. And west is always at the left side of your map. Now let's discuss the map and its points. Map and globes give basically the same information about the world. The main difference is that a map is flat while a globe is spherical. A globe has to be turned to see the different parts of the world, while a map shows them all at the same time. Now look at your screen. You can see north, west, south and east. Now we will discuss their points. Azad Kashmir is located in north of Pakistan. Punjab is located in east of Pakistan. Balochistan is located in west of Pakistan. And Sindh is located in south of Pakistan. We are going to start reading now. North, east, south and west. Look at this map. North, east, south and west. This is a map of Pakistan. This is a map of Pakistan. Point to the north, east, south and west. Point to the mountains on the map. These symbols represent the mountains on the map. There are mountains in the north and west of Pakistan. It is often cold in the mountains. I will read this paragraph again. Now please listen carefully and read this paragraph along with me. This is a map of Pakistan. Point to the north, east, south and west. Point to the mountains on the map. There are mountains in the north and west of Pakistan. It is often cold in the mountains. Let's try to figure out what we have studied in these two paragraphs. Mountains. Mountain weather condition can change dramatically from 1 hour to the next. For example, in just a few minutes, a thunder storm can roll in when the sky was perfectly clear. and just in a few hours the temperature can drop from extremely hot temperatures to temperatures that are below freezing. Why do mountains receive more rainfall? Do you know why do mountains receive more rainfall? They receive more rainfall than low-lying areas because the temperature on top of mountains is lower than the temperature at sea level. Windy carry moist air over the land. When air reaches the mountain, it rises because the mountains are in the way. As the air rises, it cools, and because cool air can carry less moisture, less moisture than warm air. This is usually rain. Now come to our next paragraph. Point to the desert. Look at these symbols. You can see these symbols in this map also. And these symbols represent the deserts. There are deserts in the south of Pakistan. It is usually dry in the deserts because it does not rain much. Again, I am reading this paragraph. Please listen carefully and read this paragraph along me. Point to the deserts. There are deserts in the south of Pakistan. It is usually dry in the deserts because it does not rain much. We are going to solve this exercise. Write true sentences in your notebook, but we are not going to do this on our notebook. We will do matching on our textbook. Quetta is in the west of Pakistan, so match it over here. Quetta is in the west of Pakistan. Then next, Karachi is in the south of Pakistan, so match it with Karachi is in the south of Pakistan. Next is Islamabad is in the north of Pakistan, so match Islamabad is in the north of Pakistan. Next, Lahore is in the east of Pakistan, so match it with Lahore is in the east of Pakistan. Then next, there are mountains in the north and west of Pakistan, so match it with there are mountains in the north and west of Pakistan. And the last one, there are deserts in the south of Pakistan. Now students, I'm going to read these paragraphs. Now please listen carefully. Okay, the topic is clothes in Pakistan. What is the topic? Clothes in Pakistan. In different kinds of weather, we wear different clothes. As you all know that we wear different clothes in different weather. Rafe and Zain live in Karachi. It is often hot and dry there. They are wearing thin cotton clothes to keep cool. They have caps on their heads to keep the sun out of their eyes. Now I will read this again. Now please everybody read this paragraph with me. Rafe and Zain live in Karachi. Yes, Rafi and Zain live in Karachi. It is often hot and dry there. They are wearing thin cotton clothes to keep cool. They have caps on their heads to keep the sun out of their eyes. Now, let's discuss that what we have studied in these paragraphs. As you all know that we all wear clothes. Clothes come in different styles and different colors. Clothes not only make us look smart but also protect from extreme changes. Clothes also protect us from dirt and dust. The changing seasons, summer, winter, autumn, and the rainy season, can make us feel hot, cold, and wet. We wear clothes made of both natural and synthetic fiber. We wear clothes made of both natural and synthetic fiber. Natural includes cotton, silk, and wool. In summer, we need to wear clothes that keep us cool. Which type of dresses we wear in summer? We wear clothes that keep us cool. Cotton keeps us cool. In summer, we wear cotton clothes such as cotton dresses and kurtas. Cotton, and you all know that cotton grows on the cotton plants. Let's move to our next paragraph. Okay, now start reading of this paragraph. Hibba often goes to the mountains. Burr, burr, it is very cold there. She is wearing thick clothes to keep warm and woolly hat to keep out the wind. Now I will read this paragraph again. Now please read this paragraph with me. Hibba often goes to the mountains. But it is very cold there. She is wearing thick clothes to keep warm and a woolly hat to keep out the wind. Now let's discuss that what we have studied in this paragraph. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. As you know that we are wearing woolen clothes now also, such as sweaters and woolen trousers. Wool keep us warm. We get wool from sheep. Silk clothes are worn on special occasions. Silk clothes are worn on special occasions such as weddings or birthday parties. We get silk from silkworms. We use clothing such as raincoat and gum boots during rainy weather. These are made from synthetic materials. Even the umbrellas we use are made from synthetic material. That is why they keep us from getting wet. Now we are going to do this exercise. Look at these clothes, guess the weather. These Kailash children live in the cold north of Pakistan. Okay, now what they are wearing? I'm wearing woolen clothes and a woolen hat because woolen clothes are warm. Now, next. This Sindhi boy lives in the hot south of Pakistan. I'm wearing what he is wearing? I'm wearing loose cotton clothes because light cotton clothes are cool. Now, my dear students, it's a time to say goodbye. But before saying goodbye, I just want to tell you that for your more information, I'm sharing another video with you that will increase your knowledge. So just watch this video and enjoy it. Take good care of yourself and do your homework properly. Khuda Hafiz.